Hi guys, my name is Shenjit and welcome to BSc Talkies. नाम थोड़ा finalized नहीं है पर we're going to talk about a lot of things that are related to men's skincare and more importantly men's grooming. Now as you all know, Bombay Shaving Company has been known for its shaving and its skincare and its beard products. पर ये सब obsession with men's grooming and men's skincare, it's not a very new concept. It has been there for a long time. But even before that, there was a time where none of us even knew about what skincare even was. Now let me give you an example. अगर आप कभी 1975 की मूवी देखे जो which is शोले, you know, like 1975 में रिलीज हुई थी शोले. You remember Jay and Viru. If you look at that movie and if you hear people talk about that movie, बहुत लोग बोलेंगे कि पता है ruggedly handsome अमिताभ बच्चन या फिर वेरी रगेड वेरी 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 गुड लुकिंग धर्मेंद्र. वो रगेड या जो भी दे वांट टू यूज दैट वर्ड, इट्स नॉट रगेड, इट्स बेसिकली people not taking care of their skin. It's as simple as that. I know it's very desirable to have a skin which is like एकदम rough looking, but it also means कि वो बंदा एकदम exfoliate नहीं करता, ना ही वो face wash करता है, ना ही वो face scrub करता है. So honestly, it is not even something that we should think about at this point of time. Around 40 years later, people have realized कि it's not just about looking tough. It's about actually taking care of your skin, which is supposed to be soft. It's not supposed to be tough at all. So in the 70s and the 80s and even in the 90s, all of these action heroes and all of these people who would kind of come up on screen and be like, you know, मैं हूँ मसीहा. All of these people are literally not taking care of their skin. Now, since 2000s, a lot of people have started kind of thinking about कि maybe this is not the kind of skin that I want. As simple as that. So what people have tried kind of doing is seeing that how they can take care of their skin. It's a very important thing because abhi tak, if you know your father or your grandfather, your uncle, whoever is a little older, you know that they use only one or two products. They had a lot of chemicals, unfortunately. So if you've been using that for a long time, ऐसा होता है कि आपकी skin starts kind of darkening. Because what chemical starts affecting your entire skin, it starts affecting your hands a little bit, and it's not very good for your entire body. Alright, talking about skincare in men. Now, I remember a time where the myth was that men don't get pimples. That is the worst thing that I've ever heard. कि men लोगों को पिंपल ही नहीं होता. मतलब क्या हमारे excess oil नहीं होते? हैं? Like we don't get like stuff like breakout का मतलब क्या है, acne क्या होता है. We have a lot of skin problems, but it is all hidden behind the layer of अरे we have to look like men, so why even use products to remove stuff like pimples and all. आएगा चला जाएगा, है ना. कुछ लोग तो like they start like doing this. So anyway, talking about acne and breakouts and all of these gross stuff, it's very important for us to know that all of these things are very controllable. अगर हम लोग right product use करते हैं और अगर हम लोग एक ऐसा product use करते हैं that we know is going to help us kind of clean up our skin, why not do that? You know, like why not even think about that at that point of time? Which is where Bombay Shaving Company kind of steps in. Now, before we go ahead, if you are liking the information that we are giving you till now, like, share, subscribe, whatever you feel like. Please comment, give us your thoughts, and press the bell icon because every time we are putting up a video, you guys get to know that we have uploaded it, and you guys can literally enjoy the kind of videos that we are making, if you are enjoying, of course. So please do subscribe, and we promise to make much more content and much more informative and educational content again. Alright, now as you can see, there are a lot of products on the table. और मैं एक एक करके आपको सबके बारे में बताऊंगा. Now the idea is to show you that skincare is not just related to stuff which is related to like your skin. You know, it is about your face and the way you kind of take care of every part of your body, right? And सबसे important चीज़ जिससे men's grooming का नाम men's grooming पड़ा है वो है shaving. Now I know अभी हम लोग बात कर रहे थे कि shaving is not the epitome of स्किन केयर, पर मेरा पॉइंट है कि हम शेव का मतलब हमारे लिए होता है थोड़ा सा फोम लेना, लगाना, शेव करना, निकल जाना. इट्स सो मच मोर देन दैट. which is where our entire 6-part shaving system kind of comes. Now we have the pre-shave scrub. Now this has black sand and walnut shell, which helps you kind of remove all the dirt from your skin. Now the second thing that you need is this precision safety razor. बहुत बढ़िया चीज़ है. I'll just open it and show it to you guys. Look at how beautiful it looks right out of the box. इसको खोलो. इसको already एक sheath लगा हुआ है, which is for extra protection. And just look at the design. It's so beautiful, right? And it's for short strokes, and it has a gravity assisted glide, which will help you shave even the hardest places जहाँ पे आपको बहुत problem होती है actually shave करने में. Even those places it will help you shave, right? Now setting up the precision safety razor is very easy. आपको बस इसको unscrew करना है थोड़ा सा. The handle you just have to open it, right? Put this in. Have this in 2 bits. यहाँ पे आपका blade जाएगा. Then you put this back on. Make sure you put it the right way. And बस unscrew it back. इस पे बहुत बढ़िया Japanese engineered feather blades आती हैं, which are in the box as well. And the best part is it's not only in this one color. It's in this brilliant black and gunmetal. And I'll show all of it to you guys. This is the black one. इसमें एक ऐसा स्पेशल टेक्निक यूज किया है जिसमें द मेटल कैन नॉट रस्ट फॉर years and years and years and decades, and if you feel like आपको ये बहुत पसंद आया, it will look like this even 20 years later when you're using it. And it also comes in this exquisite gunmetal finish as well, and all of these razors can be given as gifts to your father, to your grandfather who like using safety razors, because आजकल जो हमारे पास blade वाली razor आती है वो उसमें उतना मज़ा नहीं है जितना इसमें है. And also the kind of precision you kind of get from these razors, it's unparalleled. You guys will not experience something like this ever before. And to pair with this, we have the perfect thing that you would need to use for shaving. Alright, so use the razor. I would suggest that you guys use the shaving cream. It is enriched with tea tree and aloe vera, which helps you soothe your skin. Now, मैं obviously आपको ये smell नहीं करवा सकता, but it smells heavenly. It is one of the best smelling things I've ever smelled in this world. But the shaving cream it has a rich lather. इस पे आप shaving brush के साथ आप whip up कर सकते हैं इसको, and you can start like putting it, end it with the post shave balm. I'm sorry, I'm gonna smell this one a little bit. So beautiful, right? So when you put the post shave balm, it's different than aftershave. You know, the aftershave is something which is completely chemical. वो करता है वो लगाने पे आपने देखा होगा होम अलोन पे जो मूवी आई थी उसमें थोड़ा सा आफ्टरशेव वो लगाता है. Small kid, he just does this and he does this and he starts screaming. Don't worry, it happens in your adult life also, right? Because aftershave is not something that people usually should put on their skin because it is full of chemicals. Fortunately, this is not, because it has witch hazel, it has 0% alcohol, no dryness, absolutely brilliant formula. आप थोड़ा सा अपने हाथ पे लगाइए, रब कीजिए, थोड़ा थोड़ा करके लगाइए. That's it, you're done. So the Fitkari After-Shave Gel is known for its healing qualities because it has alum in it, which is Fitkari, and इस पे completely this paraben and sulfate free. It helps heal and hydrate your skin also after the shave. थोड़े chances हो सकते हैं कि आपका skin थोड़ा red हो जाए. So something like a Fitkari After-Shave Gel or a post-shave balm will definitely help your skin soothe. Now finally coming into the meat of men's grooming, you know, like the centerpiece, which is the coffee face wash and the charcoal face wash. Face wash is something that we should definitely follow. जो लोग अभी भी जुगाड़ के साथ अपना बॉडी वॉश ही अपने फेस पर लगा लेते हैं, प्लीज स्टॉप. We have brilliant products. You don't need to keep using your body wash as a face wash, and these smell brilliant. This one smells exactly like your cup of coffee. अगर आप coffee fanatic हैं, तो please go for the coffee face wash. Otherwise, the charcoal face wash itself is great. It's very dramatic जब आप इसको खोलते हैं. But like this entire thing is black. You know what? I'll just go for it. You know, just look at it. Oh, just look at that. It's completely black. And if that is not like dramatic enough, I don't know what is. But the face wash, the coffee face wash and the charcoal face wash, they do a very important thing for your skin, which is basically keeping your keeping all the dirt and impurities off. Like let's say that you are coming back from office after a long day. There's so much dirt and impurities just stuck on your skin. You need a great face wash to help you combat it. So just make sure you use a face wash, the coffee one or the charcoal one. Either face wash, you kind of use it every single day, at least twice, you know, before you leave and after you come back, so that your skin does not feel like grimy and dull. So that's it. Like all you need to do is just basically use a good face wash to keep your skin clean. This is the charcoal facial kit. It has every single thing that you need to keep your skin pure and your face completely spotless. I'm just gonna quickly go through all of the products that we have inside it. So it already has this charcoal face wash, which I showed to you before. And apart from that, we also have a charcoal face pack, a charcoal face scrub, and a charcoal peel off mask. So the idea is that all these products will help you kind of navigate through a lot of different facial kind of things that you face every single day. The face pack helps you open up your pores. तो जो भी आपके यहाँ पे dirt अटकी हुई है, जो थोड़ी stubborn सी dirt होती है, जो हटती नहीं बहुत easily. With the peel off mask, you put it on your T-zone, you put it here, on your cheeks, and the areas which are the most oily, you know, like right above your nose. And if you put that there in your T-zone and remove it, it completely removes all the excess oil and all the dirt and impurities, जो बहुत you know, like with a normal face wash might not go. You'll have to do it a lot of times. With the peel off mask, just do it once and you're fine. And finally, we have the face scrub. The charcoal face scrub helps removing blackheads. Now, blackheads is a huge deal for men. The order to use the charcoal facial kit is you use the charcoal facial wash, use the scrub, use the peel off mask, and then you use the face pack. That's it. Tops आपको 15 से 20 मिनट लगेंगे अगर आप उतना अपना टाइम लगा सकते हैं to just keep your skin healthy and clean. That's all we need. So today, I think I have learned a lot about these products just by talking about it, and I hope you guys have as well. If you guys like this video, please share and subscribe and like it as well, and put in your comments. Tell us what your skincare regime is. Who is your favorite, person or celebrity to look up to when it comes to grooming and skincare? Like for example, my favorite is Hrithik Roshan. Like, look at him. He keeps his skin spotless and he's almost touching 50 now. So let me know what you guys think about skincare regimes, routines, if it's something that you guys want to follow. And all of these products will be listed in the description below. So don't forget to press the bell icon and wait for our next video to come in. I hope you guys enjoyed it. My name is Shenjit and this is BSc Topics. Thank you.